What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Doey the Dough Man in his monster form from Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw those 5 arms coming out from the head. Let's start with the one in the middle. We start from the very top. Let's start with the thumb. We bend this up, come around, and then in towards the wrist. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the edge of the palm, coming across towards the left and then down. Now we're going to tuck 3 fingers along the top. Let's start from the top of the thumb. We're going to bend this up, over toward the left, and then come back in. Let's layer the second finger, going around, and then in. And we'll draw one more finger coming in towards the palm. Draw the palm coming around and then in towards the wrist. Now I want to draw the arm coming down and then rounding out the elbow. So let's start on the left side. I come down at an angle, round out the elbow, come up, then in towards the outside of the wrist. Now we're going to draw 2 arms coming down at an angle. Let's start with the one on the right. Starting from the center, down and across, then the arm coming down towards the wrist. Now from here we want to draw in the thumb. Coming around, round out the thumb, and go back up towards the hand. Let's add in that first finger, bend this down towards the tip, round out the finger, and pull that back up. Let's layer 2 more fingers in behind. So we start from the bottom, round out the finger, go up, add 1 more going all the way around and then in towards the wrist. Now let's draw the outside of the forearm. We're going to go up, round out the elbow, and just tuck that in behind. Now I want to take that same arm and flip it over on the left. So we're going to start in the middle, bend this down across the forearm, and then down towards the wrist. Now we're going to draw that same thumb. Bend this in and then down, round out the thumb, and go up towards the hand. Let's add those 3 fingers, starting with the first one in the front, round it out, and go up. And then we'll layer those 2 fingers in behind. So we round it up, and then work our way around the 3rd finger, and then in towards the wrist. Let's tuck this up underneath that middle arm. Let's add 2 more arms going up along the side. So we start up here, start with the arm going out, up towards the wrist. Now with the thumb, we're going to bend this up, round out the thumb, and then in, and then we'll add the edge of the palm. Let's add in those fingers. Starting from the outside of the thumb, we're going to go up, round out the finger, and then bend that up to create a fold. Now I'm going to layer 2 more fingers in behind. So we're going to start from the side, go around, round out the finger, and just tuck that up underneath. And we'll do that 1 more time. From the inside of that bottom finger, curve the palm coming in and up towards the wrist. And we'll draw the bottom of the forearm coming down and just tuck that in behind. Let's take that same arm and again flipping it over on the right. So start by lining up the side, going up towards the wrist. Draw the thumb going up, around and in, then add the edge of the palm. Now let's layer in those fingers. Starting from the outside of the thumb, go around, curl that back up, layer 2 more fingers underneath. It's almost like drawing a half oval. For the inside of that bottom finger, curve the palm coming in and then up towards the wrist. And I'll draw the bottom of the forearm coming down and then up. Now with the arms in place, we're going to add those 3 heads in between. Let's start up here. We're going to start with a curve. From the wrist, we're going to go up and then down in behind. Let's add 1 on the right side. Now I want to add 1 more across the bottom in the center. Let's add a set of eyes inside each head. Let's start with the one on the left. I'm going to go up and then down on the left and right. And then we'll round out the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right side. And then finally across the bottom. Now I want to draw the outside of the head going in behind the hands. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this out and then down. Line it up on the right. Bend this out and then down in behind those hands. Now let's move down. We're going to curve the head, going around and then in. Just kind of bulging it out in between the arms. And then across the bottom, from the inside of the thumb, I'm going to curve this down, across, and then up. Now let's go back up the top and add those teeth. We're gonna start on the left side. Start with a curve coming down and in, then this out, round out the socket, and then come back down on the inside. Let's take that and flip it over on the right, coming down towards the tip, and then rounding out the top. Let's add a couple more. And then we're also going to add some teeth across the bottom. Let's start with the gap in the center. Start with the left side going up, come around, and then rounding out the bottom. And then on the right, we're going to go in the opposite direction. Let's add one more on either side. Now with the head in place, let's move down and draw the top set of arms. We're going to start from the left side of the chin, bend the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. Line that up on the right side. Now from the wrist, let's add the thumb. We're going to bend this up, round up the thumb, and come back in. And we'll add the edge of the palm, coming down and then in. Now we want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the inside of the thumb, and bend this out and up, round up the finger, come down towards the bottom, round up the tip of the finger, and then bend that back up to create a fold. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, coming down, and then curl that back up. Now I'm going to layer 2 more fingers in behind. Starting from the outside, we're going to come down and then up like an oval, and do that one more time. Let's go to the inside of that bottom finger, curl the palm coming down and then up across the wrist. And then from here, we're going to step down, bend this in towards the side of the body. Now let's do the same thing with the bottom set of arms. We're going to start up here with the top of the forearm coming down and out. Now these arms are going to be a little bit smaller than the ones on top. Let's add that thumb going up, round up the thumb, and pull that back in. Add a curve for the palm. Let's add the first finger. Starting from the outside of the thumb, we go up, round out the knuckle, and then curl it back up. Let's layer 2 more fingers on the side. For the inside of that bottom finger, again, we're going to curve the palm coming in and then up across the wrist. Step down, bend this in, and then up. Let's go back to this point. We're going to draw a curve for the edge of the body. We're going to go out and then down. From the bottom arms, let's move to the center, step down and add a curve. We're going to go up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now from the heel, we want to round at the bottom of the foot, going up towards that first toe. And then we're going to draw the first toe. We're going to curve this down, go up, and then back down on the inside. Let's layer 2 more toes on either side. Start from the top, we go up, down, and round at the bottom. And we'll do that one more time. Now we're going to go in between those last 2 toes, curve the foot, we're going to go up, bend that down, aiming towards the heel. And then from the top of the foot, let's bend the leg, going up, and then in. Now that we completed our contour drawing, let's add that texture inside the body. Let's start with the left side, underneath the arm. I'm just going to wobble this line, going around, add a couple spots. Now underneath the head, we're just going to separate this, going in towards the side. Separate the bottom, coming in towards the body, and wobble that back out towards the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. Go across, let's separate the bottom arm. Let's add a couple more patches. the arms. I'm also going to separate the bottom of the legs. Across. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's Doey the Dough Man in its monster form from Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.